Okay, let's dive right in. We're talking about one of the biggest, most exciting projects you can ever take on, building a brand new home. This is about taking a vision, something that's just in your head, and making it real, a place where you're going to live your life. It's a huge deal. And that's really the heart of it, right? The feeling. It should be exciting. It's supposed to be this amazing journey where a dream literally takes shape, from those first blueprints to seeing the beams go up against the sky and, eventually to a home filled with a lifetime of memories. That's the promise.
But let's get real for a second. For way too many people, the reality is a million miles away from that dream. Instead of excitement, you just feel completely overwhelmed. Instead of joy, there's just stress. And that dream budget? Yeah, it often feels like it's just spiraling out of control.
So that's the core conflict we're going to unpack here. This massive gap between the dream of building a home and the chaotic, messy reality that so many homeowners end up facing. Let's really break down what that looks like.
And wow, this slide just nails it, doesn't it? On one side, you have the dream. It's also romantic, right? Blueprints, beams, memories. But then you look at the reality for so many people. Just this frantic mess of juggling sticky notes, a camera roll full of random screenshots, and an inbox that is just overflowing with supplier emails. It's pure administrative chaos.
And let's not forget what's really at stake here. This isn't just some casual project. For most of us, our home is the single biggest financial investment we will ever make in our entire lives. That's why getting it right and actually feeling good about the process is so incredibly important.
So why? Why does it get so chaotic? Where does all this stress even come from? Let's kind of dissect the anatomy of this chaos and get right to the root of why this dream project so often feels more like a nightmare.
All right, here are the usual suspects. First, a total lack of transparency in pricing, where you never feel quite sure what things really cost. Then you've got unclear documentation, which just leads to confusion and a ton of mistakes. Throw in disorganized project management, and suddenly nobody seems to be on the same page. And maybe the worst part, that feeling of being completely alone, without a real champion fighting for you in your corner. But here's the thing, it absolutely does not have to be this way. Not at all. This is the turning point. All of that chaos, all of that stress, there is a way to completely flip that script and take back the excitement of building your home.
So what if you had a superpower in this process? I mean, that's really the idea behind the Contractor Checklist. It's designed to be exactly that, a source of real empowerment for you, the homeowner.
Now let's be super clear about what this is. The Contractor Checklist is a consulting system. They're not the crew that shows up to build your house. They don't swing the hammer. Instead, think of them as the ones who give you the master key. They swing open every locked door of the construction process, giving you the access and the understanding you deserve. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, these are your new superpowers. You get the knowledge that acts like a shield for your budget. You get the tools that finally bring some order to all that chaos. You gain real confidence in every single decision you make. And maybe most importantly, you have a team that you know for sure always has your back. Okay, that all sounds amazing, right? But how does it actually work? How do you really get from that state of chaos to a feeling of total control? Let's look at the actual system. It's a clear, actionable process. First, you get a deep understanding of what every single subcontractor actually does. Second, you track all the bids and the pricing with total clarity, no more mystery costs. Third, you're empowered to choose materials like you've been doing this for years. Fourth, you use smart planning to get ahead of those frustrating delays. And finally, and this is a big one, you learn how to spot and avoid costly mistakes before they even happen. And that's the whole point. It's not just a collection of good ideas. It is a systematic, step-by-step plan. Its entire purpose is to take that overwhelming feeling of chaos and replace it with a powerful, satisfying sense of control over your own project. And check this out. This is one of the key tools you get, a digital home manual. I mean, think about this for a second. All your material choices, all your warranty info, every single invoice, and even direct links to the products for the future, all organized in one central, easy-to-find place. No more hunting through a pile of papers. And this quote just says it all, doesn't it? Just imagine, years from now, you need to find the warranty for your fridge or the exact paint color for a touch-up. With everything organized like this, future you will absolutely celebrate the decision you made today. So, when you put it all together, what does this lead to? What's the ultimate outcome of going from chaos to control? Well, it's about building your dream. but with a completely different feeling: genuine confidence.
This final comparison just drives the whole point home. The old way, the chaotic way, often means losing sleep over stress and, let's be honest, losing money on preventable mistakes. But the checklist way completely transforms that experience. You're actually enjoying the journey, all while feeling secure that you're protecting your massive investment.
And that's the real promise here. It brings everything full circle. By gaining this clarity and this confidence, you are finally free to focus on what really matters: building exactly the home you've always imagined, without the process completely destroying the dream. And we'll end on this thought, which is really the core philosophy behind this whole thing. It's a simple shift, but it's profound. Before you lay a single brick or hammer a single nail, you first build your foundation of knowledge. Let's build knowledge first, then build your home.